Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to fix drag and drop not working issue on Windows. Type CMD in Windows search bar. Right-click Run as administrator. Click Yes to continue. Type SFC, /scan now. Type DISM, /online, space. /cleanup -image, space. /restore health. Type exit from command prompt. Restart system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.